Hello children, now second class mathematics. See children, what is our chapter? Our chapter name is shapes. 18th chapter SHAPS, shapes. Take out your textbook children, page number 118. 118 page, open it children. Very good. See all of you children. What is this children? This is classroom only? Yes. This is the classroom. Here having board and chair, teacher and some children, benches, desk. Yes children. Are you observing window, door? Are you observing children? So here what having? See here, look at the picture. Okay, look. 88 THE the PICTURE picture. Look at the picture. See here. Here what having here? Board. Here flag drawing only. Yes. Desk, chair, some students. What they are doing? What? So they are doing colors and shapes only. Yes. So teacher is explaining for us. See here, some girl will drawing and some members will filling the colors. Are you observing? See now, is the flag and the blackboard in the same shape? So here flag and blackboard is the same shape. Say children. Blackboard and flag is the same shape? Yes or no? Yes. Same shape only. Which shape is that? It is the rectangle shape. Which shape? Rectangle shape. In previous class too we are learning only? Yes. That board, this board and flag is which shape? Rectangle shape. Rectangle. 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 In rectangle shape too, how many sides are there? 1, 2, 3, 4 sides. All sides are not equal. Opposite sides only equal. See here, opposite sides only equal. All sides are not equal. So which shape is this? Rectangle shape. So board also rectangle shape and flag also rectangle shape. So now here one door is there. Yes. Which shape is this? This is also rectangle shape. Why children? Here also same 1, 2, 3, 4 sides. 4 sides having, but all sides are not equal. Opposite sides only equal. This side and this side equal. This side and this side equal. So opposite sides only equal. Here this window also same rectangle shape. See here. Are you observing children? So which shape is this? Rectangle shape. Are you understand children? See here. So inside and outside your classroom, which shades having? In your surroundings, which shapes having children? In your classroom, outside and inside? Inside, which shapes having? Board, rectangle shape, and wall, rectangle shape, and windows. This one rectangle shape. Door also rectangle shape. And you are playing ball. That is the circle shape. And so okay children, in our school campus too, you know children this one? Gooseberry. Yes, which shape is this? Spear shape. Which shape? Spear. S-P-H-E-R-E, spear. S-P-H-E-R-E, spear. In your book too not given, but you learn children. Which shape? Spear shape. This gooseberry and ball and whatever orange. Yes children, these are all which shape? Spear shape. Which shape is this? Spear shape. So next, this chalk piece box. Yes children, this is the chalk piece box. See here, which shape is this? Which shape? You know dice? Yes, dice shape only, yes? Dice shape. So which shape is this? Cube. That shape is cube. You are playing only with dice too. Snake and ladder like that games. So they are having dice? Yes. So which shape is that? Cube shape. So here that cube has how many faces? 6 faces. How many faces? 6 faces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The down one. 6 faces. A cube has 6 faces. All faces are equal. So all faces are equal size only. Are you observing children? Same like that square. Square has 4 sides. All sides are equal. So in cube also 6 faces. 6 faces. I will explain this also. 6 faces. All the faces are equal in cube. Okay. I am showing that the diagram and that also I will explain in one day. So again cube face finishing after cuboid. Same like that rectangle shape only. Look like rectangle shape. This is the cuboid. Cuboid shape. So this is the cuboid shape. This also how many faces having? 6 faces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and down one also 6. So how many faces? Cuboid? 6 faces. C-U-B-O-I-D, cuboid. Cuboid also 6 faces. But here all the faces are not equal children. All the faces are equal? No, not equal. So in cube too, all the faces only equal. So here sphere too, they are having faces and simply curved line only. Yes children? Okay. See here, match the following. Okay. So which shape is this? Cylinder shape. Which shape is this? Cylinder shape. cylinder, cylinder shape. This is the cylinder shape. Okay. So this topic I will explaining clearly, children. I am showing that examples also I am showing. Okay. I will explaining this. Cube, cuboid, cylinder and sphere. Okay. So let us now this match the following only do. Match the figures have the same shape. Look at the example. See here triangle, triangle. So here also triangle to match it. Okay. See here square, square. This shape and this shape. Rectangle, rectangle. Circle, circle. So this triangle and this triangle. Okay. So here cut it, children. Circle, circle. Rectangle, rectangle. Square, square. Same shapes only. You match it. Match the things on the left with their similar shapes on the right. See here, kite. Which shape? Rhombus shape. Kite, rhombus shape. Slate. This is a slate only. Yes. Slate which shape? This shape only. Rectangle shape. See here, which shape is this? Triangle shape. Triangle. So this ball is which shape? Circle shape. Right, all of you? So next page. See, all of you? Look at the three things in each row. Mark the one with different shape. So in the blank boxes. So different shape, which one is there? The different shape too, we are keeping right mark. Okay. So this is the shape having the ringed circle shape. Here book and eraser. So book also cuboid shape and eraser also cuboid shape. So which one is different? This one is different. So we are keeping here right mark. So next here slate and duster. So those cuboid shape only. This one only some different shape. So we are keeping here right mark. So next one here ball and apple and table. So which one is different here? Table is different. So keep right mark. Okay. So next one here. Look at the shapes. Count them and write. In this picture. See here. This picture too. How many triangles? What is this, children? Triangle. Triangle. Triangles are there. How many triangles are there? 1, 2. So write 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And big triangle. 5. How many triangles? 5 triangles. Are you understand? First one, big one, 1. So first this small one. Here to here. 1, 2, 3, 4. And next one, this big one, 5. So next one in this picture, how many squares are there? Square. S-Q-A-R-E, square. So many squares are there. So let us count 1, 2, 3, 4. This big one, 5. So write all of you. Okay children, remaining topic in next class 2 I will explain it. Okay children.